C4 time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1990 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Of course, a removable top. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, a little over 57,700. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. Check out the interior, look at those exact miles. Of course, 5.7 liter tune port injected V8 underneath the hood, paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission in this car. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Very nicely equipped car. I'll get into some of the options here in a bit. Now, as you can see, the paint shows well. There's some spots where it has been touched up, of course. The car's over 30 years old. A little spot down here has been touched up. But overall, hey, a lot of bang for the buck. Fun to get in and drive, especially that 6-speed. Now, I'm going to check out the still pictures of this car so you can see the engine bay, underside, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. I believe those were called the salad shooter wheels. Are chrome, red on red, so red bucket seats. Now, I started mentioning about the nicely equipped car. Dual power seats, selective ride control, electronic AC control, does have the Z51 performance handling package, engine oil cooler. So that's just some of the things that are on it, of course. If you want to check out the RPO code so you can see the sticker with the RPO codes on it, that is in the glove box and it's in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Wing that has been added for looks. Take a peek up and down the driver's side. Sides are pretty free of nicks, dings, or scratches. Show its age a little bit on your door strips. Otherwise, as far as weather stripping, not bad. Of course, power windows, power locks. I mentioned dual power seats earlier. We do have some wear from going in and out of the bolster on the seats, FYI. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Check out the exact miles. It does have an aftermarket Kenwood stereo, FYI, so more modern stereo. And there's your exact miles, 50,000 or 57,755 or 6, is it? No warning indicators on. Kenwood aftermarket stereo in working order. C4 is going to have some issues. One of them being that AC Delco stereo, so this is replaced stereo working. It does have the electronic climate control, mentioned that earlier, and it is blowing cool. This does have a little looser steering column, FYI, from getting in and out using that steering wheel. So the steering column does have a little play to it. Not bad when you got it tilted down driving it. All right. Slip around to the back seat here, that's wrong. Get an idea how that TPI 5.7 sounds. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get this hood open. Let's check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. So give me a second, get that hood open.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood pop, FYI. I have had a prop rod that strut won't hold the whole way of the hood, FYI. I'll give you an idea what the engine bay looks like. Again, 5.7 liter, 2-port injected V8, tried and true power plant. anyways, tell you what, before I finish this up, I'll close that hood, check out those headlights too. Forgot to do that earlier. So a nice, tidy, clean engine bay. Compressor's turning. AC was blowing cool earlier. Has been converted also from R34 or R12 to R134. Excuse me. So the newer refrigerant. All right, let me pause this a second. We'll check out those headlights. All right, and headlights. Smooth and smooth. Both of them working good. 1990 Chevrolet Corvette. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.